Hello everyone and welcome to my Yandere-chan cosplay tutorial. This video will cover makeup, wig styling, costuming, and props. Put in a pair of black circle lenses. Start off by priming your face. Then apply a medium or full coverage foundation to give your skin a flawless appearance. For this look, choose a base with either a natural or matte finish. Apply concealer or a second layer of foundation over areas where more coverage is needed. Prime your eyelids with any leftover product. Use a cream contour around your nose. You may contour the rest of your face as well, but I prefer a softer look. Set your base with a translucent powder. Here I'm using a tapping motion to apply an even layer without disrupting the foundation underneath. Comb your brows into place, then fill them in with a matte black eyeshadow. Keep a light hand as you work towards the front of the brow and blend to create a soft gradient. Clean up the edges with concealer or foundation on a flat brush. Define and set your brows with black mascara or brow gel. Then blend with a spoolie if needed. Apply a matte taupe eyeshadow to your crease and blend it out. Continue to blend with a larger, fluffier brush. Build up pigment in the crease, then blend the same taupe shadow down your lower lash line. Draw small lines on both ends of your crease with a matte light brown eyeshadow, then blend it out. Draw accent lines on top, this step is optional, then line from the inner corner to the start of your upper lashes. Apply a white eyeliner pencil to your waterline. Then run a matte white eyeshadow down your lower lash line. Tightline with a black eyeliner pencil. Then apply black mascara to your top lashes. Since the focus of the makeup is the eyes, apply dramatic top and bottom false lashes. Doing this will also make your eyes look huge. Outline, then fill in your lips with a taupe pencil. Then apply a sheer nude lipstick on top. Finish off the makeup with a setting spray. Secure the wig in place with sewing pins along the edge of the wig cap. Don't worry, they won't interfere with the styling. Then gather the bangs and side pieces, then tie them off with an elastic to keep them out of the way. I decided to redo the ponytail that came with the wig using my hands to smooth out the hair, then tying it off with a thick black hair tie. Trim away any stray hairs, then set everything in place with a generous amount of hairspray. This particular wig comes with a ponytail attachment, but I decided not to use it. Apply a conditioning heat protecting spray, then comb through the hair. Use a flat iron on a low setting to straighten everything out. Section off a 2-inch piece of hair at the top, then tie it off with an elastic. This particular wig has a skin top, so I used that as a guide. Tie off the rest of the hair with an elastic to keep it out of the way. Split the top section in half. These become our side pieces. Working one section at a time, saturate both sides of the root with hairspray, then blow dry until the hair is no longer sticky. Doing this will add structure and volume. Flip the piece over, then use your fingers to carefully adjust the width and create a shape that resembles an ocean wave. Then set both sides with hairspray. Repeat this process with the other section. Gather the ends of each side with clips to keep them out of the way. To make side swept bangs, pull the hair towards the left with your fingers angled downwards. Then use vertical cuts to trim off about ½ inch. Doing this will also give the ends a softer look. Comb through the bangs to remove any leftover bits from the cutting. I also used a black gel eyeliner to conceal the skin top. Just like everything in Yandere Simulator, there are various types of school uniforms and accessories to choose from. I decided to go with the default design for my cosplay. I paired it with some black opaque tights and black penny loafers. To make the uniform look more like the one in the game, I decided to paint the small white triangular piece and the small white Velcro piece with navy blue fabric paint. To protect the other areas, I slipped in a piece of cardboard under the triangular piece and covered the surrounding fabric with masking tape. For best results, use a sponge brush to press the paint into the fabric for maximum absorption. I ended up having to apply 5 coats of paint in order to get the color as dark as it appears in the bottle. Be sure to let each layer of paint dry completely before applying more. Slip more pieces of cardboard into the uniform to prevent the blood splatter from seeping through to the back. I also tied the scarf as if I were wearing it. Dilute a mix of red and black acrylic paints with water, then use a large paintbrush to throw it on. Apply as much or as little as you'd like. When it comes to defeating your rivals, there's a wide variety of weapons and tactics to choose from. I decided to go with a sword and a murderer's knife. To see how I customized them, check out my How to Make the Blade on Cheap Props Look Realistic video in the description box below. I also applied 2 shades of special effects liquid blood to myself and the props for a dimensional, gory look. To make a love letter for Senpai, trace a small letter envelope onto a piece of white cardstock, then cut it out. Trim down the rectangle if necessary, then place it in the envelope and seal it. Draw a medium-sized heart on the remaining piece of cardstock, then outline and fill it in using a red Sharpie or marker. Cut out the heart with an X-Acto knife, apply some craft glue, then carefully place it on the back of the envelope. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and found it helpful, and subscribe to my channel Tara for Your Wellness for more cosplay tutorials and other fun things. Take care and stay well.